Um, I've got a lot of emails, people not being able to connect to the CQ UK room in YSX and a lot of other rooms. And I believe this is because they're in PDN mode and not YSX mode. Just turn this top radio off. It's not doing anything. So why should that be? It's the wrong mode, basically, essentially. A personal digital node is to connect to digital-only rooms. The CQ UK room, as is the vast majority of other rooms on the YSX system, are both analog and digital. So PDN won't connect to them. So I'll show you how to get in and out of PDN mode first. That's the easiest thing to do, so that you know how to get out of it, basically. So I'll put my radio into PDN mode. You do that by turning the power off, hold the DX button, and turn the power back on. And when it starts up, it should be in PDN mode, and as you can see, mine is in PDN direct. That won't allow you to access the YSX rooms. I'll just bring that up for you so you can see that happening. You can see by the software that the radio is connected. It's in digital mode. When I try and access CQ UK, even though it's listed, press connect. It'll say cancel call now in PDN standby. That's because, if you can see by that symbol, it's a red house, or a red room, I like to call it. Red room. That sounds like something from The Shining. But yeah, it won't let you into CQ UK, and that's because you're in the wrong mode. So I'll just show you how to get out of that mode again, the same way as you got in it. Turn the radio off, holding the DX button, turn the radio back on. And as you can see, PDN has disappeared off the top of here, and it's basically back into dual band radio mode. So how do we get into the YSX system so that we can access every single room on the YSX network? It's quite simple, very similar to where we got into PDN, but this time you're going to hold down two buttons. And the two buttons that you're going to hold in together are GM and DX. You have to hold those both in together while turning the radio back on. So let's attempt that. I've got big fat fingers, so it might not work first time, and I'll definitely move the camera. So holding them both in, pressing, and you'll notice straight away it comes Yaesu YSX. On the left hand side it'll say YSX underneath and node in black on the top, and it'll say node and direct underneath. If yours has a frequency there instead of direct, just press the AB button. The AB button will switch it from a frequency to direct mode. Direct mode means there's no RF coming out of the FTM 100's antenna, and the information is going straight to the internet via the SCU20 cable. Look at my video on a warning about having a frequency on there. You can, if you have a frequency set there, it will retransmit everything it hears on the internet through your antenna if you have one plugged in. If you don't have an antenna plugged in, obviously it's going to blow your radio. So always have a dummy load in the back of it if you're using YSX mode, just in case you hit the wrong button by mistake. Then it doesn't cost you a nice piece of kit. Always have it on low power as well, just in case. That's what I did. So we have it in direct mode, which means that it's going to go direct through the cable with SCU20 into the PC and onto the internet. Now if we try and connect to the CQ UK room, ta-da! We go straight in. And if we try and connect to any other room, we'll go for a digital only room. The Wisconsin link is a digital only room, so we'll try and connect to that. It might not work first time because because there's somebody talking on CQ UK. That's not a problem. Just move that out of the way. Go to connect, disconnect, comes out of CQ UK, then go to the Wisconsin link, connect. It does the call and you're into the Wisconsin link. Same again to get out of it, disconnect. So we'll go back to CQ UK, seeing as that's relatively busy during the day. And there we go. We have some people talking. And that just proves the proof is in the pudding. It's for the eating. So I hope it's been it's been good to see how to get in and out of the various modes that you can on CQ UK, or access the CQ UK room, so you can chat without the need of access to a repeater or a gateway, or in fact even have an antenna in the back of the radio. In direct mode, as I say, the information that is passed through the microphone and the radio goes straight in the SCU20 cable, straight to the internet. Have fun, enjoy your day, enjoy your radio. M0SGS is now clear, and QRT on the YouTube channel. Have a good one, everybody.